case briefs, and so much more. LS Data's got what you're looking for.
In 2012, a significant case, namely National Day Laborer Organizing Network v. United States Immigration and Customs Enforcement Agency, reverberated through the Southern District Court of New York. The cornerstone of this lawsuit was the principle that government institutions are legally obligated to conduct thorough searches for requested records, shedding light on the entirety of the matter at hand. This lawsuit centered on the Secure Communities program and called for a close examination of the government's commitment to transparency. The plaintiffs, which included the National Day Laborer Organizing Network, the Center for Constitutional Rights, and the Immigration Justice Clinic of the Benjamin N. Cardozo School of Law, sought to unveil the much-debated opt-out details associated with the Secure Communities program. Pressure in this dispute began to mount as the defendants fell short in executing a thorough search for the records, causing a contention over the adequacy of the search conducted by OGC. By ruling in favor of the plaintiffs, the court highlighted the inadequacy of the defendants' efforts, establishing a significant precedent for future cases. As a result, the court gave an order for renewed searches. Stepping into the 21st century, the defendants were instructed to utilize modern technologies in their intensified search and to involve specific individuals and custodians. The court's decision transformed the landscape for such disputes, enforcing comprehensive searches and consequently promoting a more informed and accountable government. In conclusion, the court's supervision of the process, along with the opportunities for dispute resolution, solidified the ruling. The defendants were insisted to cooperate fully, and the plaintiffs were tasked to remain reasonable throughout the process. This lawsuit not only clarified the opt-out issue of the Secure Communities program, but it also set a new benchmark for the extent of government transparency required in similar disputes moving forward. Undoubtedly, both sides felt the force of Justice Louis Brandeis's words, further encouraging the government to prioritize transparency above all else.
Case briefs, and so much more. LS Data's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.